Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to drive more phone calls from Google Ads. Driving more phone calls from your Google Ads campaigns can be a game changer for your business. Here's a breakdown of how to optimize your ads and strategies to encourage those valuable calls. Number 1. Optimize your ads for calls. These are a must. You must add a clickable phone number directly to your ads, making it super easy for potential customers to call you. Next, these ads, which are the call-only ads, are designed specifically to drive calls. They only show on devices that can make calls and have a prominent call button. We also have compelling ad copy. Use clear and concise language that encourages immediate action. Highlight your unique selling points and create a sense of urgency. Target keywords that indicate a user is likely to call. Think emergency plumber, like book a consultation or get a free quote. Emergency plumber, book a consultation or get a free quote. These are keywords that indicate a user is likely to call. Next, ensure your ads are targeting the right geographic areas where you can serve customers. Run your ads when you have staff available to answer calls. Don't waste ad spend when no one is there to pick up the phone. After optimizing your ads for calls, the next step you need to take is make it easy to call you. So display your phone number clearly in your ad and on your website. Make sure your phone number is clickable on mobile devices so users can call you with a single tap. Optimize your website for calls. Include a prominent phone number on every page, especially the mobile version. Consider adding a Call Us button. Third method is to track and measure your results. Use call tracking to measure the effectiveness of your ads in driving calls. This will help you identify which keywords, ads, and campaigns are generating the most calls. Set up conversion tracking to track calls as conversions. This will allow you to see how much value your calls are generating and optimize your campaigns accordingly. First thing you can do is advanced strategies. Call bid adjustments. Increase your bids for mobile devices and during times when you are more likely to receive calls. Target users who have previously interacted with your website or ads. They are more likely to be interested in your services and call you. Don't forget to upload your customer list to Google Ads and target similar audiences. Use Google's automatic bidding strategies to optimize your bids for calls. Next step is to provide a great call experience. Ensure your staff is trained to handle incoming calls efficiently and professionally. Make sure they are friendly. Also, quick response times. Make sure they answer calls promptly and avoid long wait times. Don't forget to provide personalized service and address the caller's specific needs. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly increase the number of phone calls you receive from your Google Ads campaign and drive more business for your company. As simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.